Hello friends, welcome to my new inventory management Excel sheet review. Okay, for this sheet I refer from YouTube and other things and some copy the programs from other sheets Excel or get it. First, you need to subscribe. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and interesting topics about Excel and management and electronics project. Okay, let's go. This is the single button for click purchase or sell. If you just click here purchase or sell, this goes to transaction about for purchase and sell. First column and sell is vendor. If you click in purchase, then it goes to directly vendor. Means if you sell to which customer, other or vendors for your purchase means you can purchase any what you want to which you what your suppliers to be pay. Okay, means purchase or sell. So if you click in sell, it goes to customer, or if you goes to purchase, then vendor or suppliers. Here is a product name. You can type here product or listing from your existing product. Here is a products sheet. You can type here a product name, sell price, type, quantity on hand, and purchase quantity, product description and picture link. Which product and how its look is goes to picture links. Okay, and here is a setup. You can add here a customer or vendors. Your customer, your supplier means vendors or customers. Here customer 10, you can exit too much. Okay, first you need to type here customers and vendors, then you go transaction. You can select here anything. Here is a product name. I just click anything. You can do any product. Here product name, standard purchase quantity, transaction date, what you want to transact. You can change here, it automatically goes to current date. Okay, sell price, quantity on hand, and type what type of product or material you want to purchase or sell. This here is a product description. You can type your product description here, total and note anything, note blogging about that product. Okay, here is a button for hide and show details. Means it's hide product details, means note and other product description. Okay, means type and product description, standard correction, product name, it will be hide. Okay, here is a button for add picture. Here is a delete transaction, means you here this transaction is completed. Okay, these two transaction is completed. Here is a purchase and here is a one example for sale. It should not be accurately correct value, but it is for example. Just I type anything. Okay, here is a new transaction. Let's come come to new transaction. First of all, I show you. Here is a code for Visual Basic. Okay, here is a sheet 1. If you goes to sheet 1 transaction, here is a code for or sum and ranges selection. Here is a product, here is the macros for product load, product thumbnail, means you can attach or delete transaction, new button or hide detail for this in macros. If you need to how type code and add macros in Excel sheet, just click mention in comment. I create another video for that. Okay, so now it's move on. Just click on new transaction. I just want to purchase some quantity from vendor, so I just click new transaction. If you click, if any error, just click in end button. Don't debug or other things. Some errors I will not be perfectly mention in any logic on that. It's not be perfect. If any suggestion for this Excel sheet, or if you want to add new contents or other things, just mention in a comment please. Okay, so new transaction, I just select a vendor 1, vendor 2, I just vendor 2. Okay, type any product. Okay, I just example 1. Okay, is not. If you no, if you goes to product, there is no type of product here. This is the only 5 product. I just type here. I just add new product here. For example, okay, I type here, so it be automatically add in this sheet. Okay, example 1. Okay, it is show you this product does not currently exist. Would you like to add it now? Just click on yes. Okay, and if you check the product button, if here is a check. Okay, example 1 is the product add here. You can add here a product name. Just type example example name. I type anything. Okay, here's a sale price, which sale price is 10 rupees per okay. Standard purchase quantity means box packing or other things. Do standard packing quantity per hand one was. Okay, anything you want. Okay, here's the purchase quantity. How much do you want to purchase from vendor? Okay, I just want to 100. Here's a 1000 rupees. Okay, here's the total. Product description, just type anything. Okay, note. Note, I just type no, not one. Okay, okay, if you want to add picture for this, then you, okay, first of all you save the transaction. Okay, if you save the transaction, okay, just I click on save transaction, add picture, goes to add picture. How look like? Okay, go to add picture, just click on add picture. It might it automatically get a picture. Okay, just go. I just want to LED, so okay, add picture. It show here a picture. If you goes to product sheet, you check experiment. Okay, just product name what you want, just exp1 we add here. Okay, purchase quantity 1 and description and picture links automatically goes. Okay, here is a picture link. Okay, if you want to delete this transaction, just click on delete this transaction. Okay, delete it. Okay, here is a automatically delete transaction. If you want to sell any product on your, okay, product name, I just add customer 3, customer 1, what you want, your product list here. I just want to sell this new part. Okay, this new part, example sale price is 15. If you, oh, you pay 10 rupees, I just add on 15. Just okay, type and not type. Okay, sell sell quantity 1000, not 1000. I just add 90. Okay, and sorry, just click on new transaction and then goes to sell, and then customer 1, select part number. Okay. Okay, and sell quantity 100, and this is save quantity. Okay, sell transaction goes to, here is a sell price. If you sell price, here come. Okay, it's a very simple sheets. Okay, you can add okay, here you can show detail, hide detail, it's not be affected. Okay, if you type any perfect quantity, then it goes to quantity on hand, means if you pay 100 quantity, and you your inventory, here is a quantity 100, you can type here 100. Okay, just goes to here. Okay, okay, so just correct it. Suppose, for example, new transaction goes to new transaction, create a vendor 1. I just want to, okay, product 2. Okay, product 2, how much I want to pay, 1000 piece. Okay, and just save transaction. If you check quantity on hand 1000, means if you pay 1000 piece for this this product, and if you goes to new transaction and sell it. Okay, just go customer 2 and product 2 and product name what you want. Okay, sell what you want. I just to sell to 200 okay, and goes to save transaction. If you check, here is a minus and enter transaction is quantity on hand 18,800. Okay, same like this is the product list. Here you can add here product list manually, product name, product name, product description, sales price, which what is your sale price, type, quantity on hand, and picture link. And you can also add here by adding a new product. Add it here, description or sell quantity, sell price, type here, and product description and note. Just to go to okay, if you check, here is all things done. If you click this and add picture for this, okay, it goes to be add a picture. If you check here, a link is okay. It's a simple like a ERP, small ERP, sell and purchase transactions. It is a small inventory manager's sheet. If you any suggestion for and any idea about, then please share with us, and please subscribe. Okay, any issue and any queries, please comment. Okay, and if you want to detail explanation for this, I will add another video. It's a too long video. Okay, just say okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if okay, if any error, then please click end button. It should not be issue any. Okay, because of if you click here, okay, it's error for click here. You just click first new transaction and then click here. Okay, it will be solved. Okay, just it's all about that. Thanks, subscribe it.